This is going to be for sign of Sagittarius. So all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. First three cards for you and then you move to your person. So what's your overall energy going to be throughout the month? Okay. We start with Ace of Pentacles, which tells me that right now finances could not be looking very good. Whichever offers you have in terms of your love life, it seems stagnant. It doesn't seem like it's going forward or it's getting someplace, and you do not have lots of faith in this connection or the situation or this business. Reason being, it has not got to its success point. Okay, one more card. What's the challenge going to be like for the sign of Sagittarius? What's the challenge going to be like? Challenge. We have the strength card. Like darling, you'll have to be patient. I believe. Okay, you'll have to stick to yourself. You'll have to possibly hold on to something that you consider dear. If you want something to go forward or get someplace, you'll have to be patient with it. The challenge might be being patient with whosoever you are with, be it situation, work life, or family. Okay, some of you, I believe, you have to let go of your ego a bit and think more practical. Okay, so in terms of so what does Sagittarius need to change this week? What does Sagittarius need to change this week? Okay, I believe with Seven of Swords, you start feeling pissed off over this person, and you need to stop reacting to it. Okay, if this person is doing you wrong, mind you, we all have karma looking above us. That will give us the necessary punishment for it, and you don't have to do shit about it, darling. If someone does wrong to you, if I do wrong to you, or I kind of mislead you by this reading, I suffer, wanting it or not wanting it. Likewise, if someone is doing wrong to you, the person will suffer. Okay, you don't have to possibly hunt them down and make them realize that, dude, you are hurting me, girl, you're hurting me. You don't have to do that. Okay, so what needs to change? I believe if you try to completely take yourself out of the situation, and you just completely act unreasonable, that needs to change. Okay, one more card in terms of what's coming your way, Sagittarius. What's coming your way? So with Six of Wands, I see you getting a lot of attention. Okay. If in the past things have been pretty stagnant in your life or your love life or your sex life, I believe things are going to possibly be coming to full circle this week. I see you getting more attention, not just from one individual, but many others. Okay. One card for. So what's your overall mood going to be like? What's your overall mood going to be like for the next 7 days for Sagittarius? What's your overall mood going to be like? To be honest, with Seven of Cups, I see you a bit confused. Not really having any sort of clarity. Okay, not knowing where things are going, like not knowing which path to choose, or which person to choose, or which job to choose. Okay, so I see you having to decide. Okay, so my card of advice to you with Four of Swords would be to take more time, like before taking that step forward. Okay, you don't have to make any sort of fast decisions. You can take your own sweet time. This is your life. Okay, you're not supposed to come into any pressure by anyone, whatsoever. You choose what's best for you. Okay, in terms of your person, Sagittarius soulmate, what's the overall energy going to be like? Sagittarius soulmate, what's the overall energy going to be like? Okay, with the Devil card, this person is definitely attached to you, regardless if you guys in communication or not. I believe in the past they did play mind games with you. A very stubborn individual who plays tricks to get a reaction, somewhat cocky and somewhat childish at the same time. Okay, one more card in terms of how are you thinking about Sagittarius now. How is this person thinking about Sagittarius? With Six of Cups, they are thinking heavily about you, and not just emotionally, they are also thinking sexually about you. Okay, they are missing you, to be honest. Okay, so one card for, like, what do they want to offer Sagittarius now? So what does this person want to offer Sagittarius? With Four of Wands, many of them actually want a relationship with you. Okay, in the past, I believe they could have given up. Like when I say past, it could mean the past 3 months or it could be the past 3 weeks. So take what resonates in your case. But I do see this person in the past with Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. They had given up or they stopped putting in effort. Okay, but right now this person definitely wants to reach out. This person wants to fix things, and this person wants to stay together. Okay, however, in terms of their feelings, how do they feel about Sagittarius? How does this person feel about Sagittarius? With this star card, I believe this person does want to fix it with you. They do want to heal the connection. They also consider highly of you, regardless if they've been behaving like a bitch. Okay, they do consider you as someone who's above the others. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles, they also look at you as someone who's financially well off. I not know for what reasons. I also think in the past with Nine of Pentacles, there's a blockage. Some of you, this person could have been all about their finances. They were not really giving into the connection because they wanted to be financially independent. And this person is not really someone who gives into commitments easily. They could be having commitment phobia. Okay, in terms of their heart space, like how do they feel about Sagittarius? But I still feel that in the past, this person, in some which way, had given up on you with Eight of Cups. Okay, they were distant and they were rather watching it from a distance, and they were not really taking any sort of action towards you. Moreover, they were trying to move on. Okay, so I believe even after having all those feelings for you, they were not really wanting to invest. Okay, so right now, in terms of their intentions towards Sagittarius, please. So what are their intentions towards Sagittarius? Intentions, we have King of Wands. King of Wands is all about taking action, implementing things, or wanting to take that step forward. Okay, so initiating. So I believe that they do want to take things forward with you. Okay, in terms of action, one card for action, please. In terms of action with Knight of Wands, I do see this person coming forward. Okay, they will take action towards you for sure. Okay, in terms of the blockage, however, what could be blocking the connection, or what could like possibly get in the way? Five of Pentacles. They fear they might not have much to offer, or they fear things are too messed up right now for things to go forward, or they'll have to put in extra effort to be getting somewhere. But I do feel for selected few of you, you might be having financial differences where someone is doing really well and the other person is not really doing that well. Okay, for selected few of you, it could be distance as well, where you guys are at distance from each other, distant from each other. For some of you, I believe that someone had possibly left the other person out in the cold without any sort of closure, so they might not know how to possibly reach out again. Okay, one card for where things could be going from now until the end of the month for Sagittarius, or Sun, Moon, Rising, love reading, down of your soulmate. Where could things be going? With Wheel of Fortune, I definitely see you having the opportunity to fix it if you're wanting to. If you're not wanting to, that's your that's your choice. But with Eight of Wands, you will definitely be having a lot of attention coming from your person's side. Okay, so I believe there's lots of up and down communication coming your way, a lots of communication to be honest. Okay, top card we have is Ace of Cups, so there's a solid opportunity that you might even meet someone new. Okay, in terms of those who are single, Sagittarius who are single, what's to come for you guys? The Empress card, I do see you guys possibly reconnecting with a past friend or someone who you've already known. Okay, if it's not that, some of you, I believe, you're going to meet someone through a common friend or through like a father or mother's friend's daughter or friend's son. But I believe this person, you'll be able to connect with this individual. Okay, for some of you, you're going to meet this person through work. But regardless howsoever you meet this person, I see it being able to get somewhere. Okay, so if you meet someone, I see you connecting emotionally, and if you connect emotionally, not just that, I see it growing as well. Okay, so yes, in terms of like when I say this could take almost 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, it's not going to happen like today tomorrow just because I said it. Okay, in terms of your finances, what's to come? Sagittarius finances, like what's currently happening, what's going to come, and what needs to change. Right now you're really doing your best you can with Eight of Pentacles. You're working really hard to get that necessary success or to possibly get some place. Okay, with Justice card, things have been going well but not too well. Things could have been stagnant for a while. You have been getting but you haven't been getting more. Okay, so you do not feel lucky enough, or you do not feel like you get what you deserve. You think you deserve more. Okay, in terms of what's to come. With Hierophant card, I see a solid opportunity for you to learn some like something new, or to possibly like either advance your business, your job opportunity, or to possibly learn something that would help you in the long run. Okay, so with the Hierophant card, I definitely see a good learning experience coming your way. I also see you getting more stable financially, and with the Hierophant, you're also going to get more recognized. Okay, in terms of like what needs to change, in terms of what needs to change. What needs to change is that you need to listen to your intuition. I mean, you should not just be practical but also listen to your intuition. I think your intuition is guiding you, and you need to possibly listen to it. And not just that, if you have not been taking opportunities, if you've been possibly staying silent, not really wanting to come out there, then you'll have to take that risk factor. You'll have to take that jump. Without taking that risk, no business or no organization can ever move ahead. Okay, if you're wanting to play it safe, then like nothing very good could come out of it. So you'll have to go out there, you'll have to take the chances. Okay, so this is all I have for Sagittarius for the month of June, from now till the end. Okay, so if it resonates, kindly the like button, to let me know in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe. If you want a personal reading with me, the way I do it, then please you could go on my Etsy account and book one for yourself. The link is given below in the description. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.